एयर वाइस मार्शल औरंगजेब अहमद ने मीडिया को ब्रीफिंग के दौरान कहा कि हमारी कामयाबी की असल वजह एयर चीफ की जहानत है। पाक एयरफोर्स बमुकाबला भारतीय फजाइया का स्कोर 6-0 रहा। भारत ने ड्रोन और बगैर पायलट तैयारे पाकिस्तान भेजे। पाकिस्तान ने तमाम ड्रोन और तैयारों का बर वक्त पता लगाया। भारत ने ड्रोन तैयारों के जरिए पाकिस्तान की शहरी आबादी को निशाना बनाया। पाक फजाइया ने अहम भारतीय तंजीबात तबाह की। भारतीय तैयारों ने जारहियत की तो पाक फजाइया ने हमला और तैयारे मार गिराए।
The real genius and the mastermind, the cerebrum behind the design and the aim and the structure, the game plan of PF was the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Tahir al-Basit. He asked us to do three things in our response. UAVs were coming inside our territory, which is being picked up by all our radars from the moment they were entering, even before that. Slide. Now, PF's air defense environment is suitably configured to detect enemies' low RCS, radio radar cross-section, high and slow speed platforms. That you can see that they are all visible by the time they are entering. Slide. So the anti-drone systems of Pakistan Air Force and Pakistan Army also in Navy, they rendered the enemy US drones attacks ineffective by spoofing, jamming and making their systems rendering them unserviceable. Slide. All drones with low cross-section also were detected, rendered useless through utilization of the indigenous GPS jamming systems that we have, the data and the SATCOM link denial that we created through our indigenous systems that we have made ourselves. They were coming closer to any civil population or civil area of high value. A direct or a hot kill was achieved on them.